Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Swamitva Taravana, which is located in Vadarahalli, Bangalore, a project developed by Swamitva Group. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So we are here on the actual land parcel and this is a sample villa basically, and here are the other villas where the construction work of the villas are going on and half of the villas are almost ready. And now about the marketing office. So you can connect to the marketing office on my right hand side in just few meters. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. So basically this project is being constructed on total 28 acres of land parcel with 199 villas of 3 and 4 BHK duplex villas and row houses with the plot registration in your name. Now about the location part, and this project is located in Vadarahalli of Kanakapura Road in South Bangalore. And now let me show you that basically this will be the internal road of the project and this road will connect you towards Kanakapura main road. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Art of Living in just 10 minutes. Dayanand Sagar Group of Institute is 10 minutes away and Silk Institute metro station is 15 minutes away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 50 plus world-class amenities like of gym, clubhouse that is 20,000 square feet, swimming pool, kids play area, lush green garden, sitting pavilion and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area, and this project provides you 3 BHK and 4 BHK villas and row houses. So the 3 BHK villas are starting from 2,500 square feet and 4 BHK villas are starting from 3,000 square feet super built-up area. And now about the booking process. So the project booking window is open now, where we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel with the actual and the sample villas as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential villa project, that is Swamitva Taravana, which is located in Vadarahalli, Bangalore, a project developed by Swamitva Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.